In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images on Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a simple web search to sharing an image in the right conversation with the right context, and you'll avoid the common mistakes that can slow you down. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Google homepage. This walkthrough starts from a fresh search, which is handy if you're on a new device or don't have Slack bookmarked. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. Look for the official Slack website in the results and click it. If you're asked to sign in, just follow your usual sign-in method so you land in your Slack workspace. Once Slack opens, choose the channel or direct message where you want to share your image. It's a good practice to double-check you're in the correct workspace and the intended conversation before you post, especially if you're collaborating across multiple teams. Opening the right channel helps keep your files organized and visible to the people who need them. At the bottom of the screen, find the message field and start a new message. You can type a short note that explains what the image is or why you're sharing it. Clear context helps teammates understand the purpose of the file without hunting through threads. Now look for the small plus icon next to the message box. Click that icon to open Slack's attachment options. This is where you can add files to your message in a structured way. From the menu that appears, choose Upload from your computer. This opens your system's file picker so you can browse to the location of your image. Navigate to the folder where the image is stored, then select the file you want to send. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF work well. If the file is large, give it a moment to load the preview. While you're here, consider whether the file name is clear and whether you want to add or refine the caption in the message field so the image appears with the right context. When everything looks good, click the Send button to post your message and image to the channel or direct message. You'll see the image appear in the conversation once the upload completes. If it takes a moment, that's normal for larger files. If you run into an issue, check your internet connection and make sure the file isn't exceeding workspace limits, then try again. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an image to Slack using the plus icon and the upload from your computer option.